Look, buddy. Your little turtle dove's back. I can't tell if Smeeper actually sees it there, but she's definitely right there on the edge. I know, she's just hanging out. And Poos Buddy here, little guy, Oscar, he doesn't even notice it's out there. You don't even see that turtle dove out there, buddy. It's like, nah, I don't care, right? All right, Zoe, your first bird chase. Good job, Zoe. Now you're too far away. That was awesome. I've never got to do that before. Yeah, well, turtle dove was just pushing your buttons, I know. Funny cat. I guess you two went out now too, huh?